Welcome. Today, we're comparing two project management tools, Monday.com and Workfront. Monday.com is a flexible platform designed to suit any workflow, while Workfront is a robust tool aimed at helping organizations manage complex projects. Both platforms are popular, but they each have their own strengths and weaknesses. Let's dive in to see which one might be the best fit for your needs. Let's start with features. Monday.com offers an intuitive interface with customizable workflows, time tracking, and automation. It also provides a visual project timeline for better project management. On the other hand, Workfront offers similar features, but adds more complex project management tools like resource management and portfolio management. If your projects are complex and require high-level management, Workfront might be a better fit. However, for straightforward and customizable project management, Monday.com has the edge. Next, let's discuss pricing. Monday.com offers four pricing tiers starting at $8 per user per month. The price increases with more advanced features. Workfront, however, doesn't publicly disclose its pricing. You'll have to contact them for a quote. This could be a drawback if you prefer straightforward upfront pricing, which Monday.com offers. User experience is a crucial factor. Monday.com is known for its colorful, intuitive interface that's easy to understand, even for beginners. Workfront, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve due to its advanced features. If ease of use is a priority for you, Monday.com might be the better choice. On to integrations. Both platforms offer integrations with popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams. However, Monday.com supports over 200 integrations, while Workfront supports around 100. This wider range of integrations makes Monday.com more versatile, especially if you use a variety of other tools in your workflow. Performance is another key factor. Both platforms are reliable with good uptime records. However, some users report that Monday.com can be slow when dealing with large amounts of data. Workfront, designed for handling complex projects, seems to perform better at scale. In terms of security, both platforms are robust. They offer features like two-factor authentication, data encryption, and regular security audits. However, Workfront has an edge by being ISO 27001 certified, a globally recognized security standard that Monday.com doesn't have. Customer support is important when choosing a platform. Both Monday.com and Workfront offer 24/7 support, with Monday.com offering email, phone, and live chat options. Workfront, however, only offers phone and email support. The availability of live chat on Monday.com might be a deciding factor if you prefer real-time assistance. Based on our comparison, the winner is Monday.com. This is due to its intuitive user interface, more transparent pricing, wider range of integrations, and the availability of live chat support. However, keep in mind that Workfront might be a better fit if you require advanced project management features and are dealing with large-scale projects. Thank you for watching our comparison of Monday.com and Workfront. We hope this has been helpful in your decision-making process. If you found this video informative, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this. We appreciate your support.